Ever wondered how a 747 that weighs almost 200 tons can get airborne? Or what actually makes an aircraft to fly? I hope you find the answers after watching this video. This is No Engineering, and in this episode, we are looking at how an airplane flies. If you want to know about how an airplane flies, then we should know about the forces that act on a flying airplane. And these forces are thrust, that helps the airplane to move forward; lift, that helps the airplane to take off from the ground; the force of gravity, that pulls the plane towards the center of the earth; and drag, the resistance from the surrounding air. Now let's look at the processes the aircraft goes through before getting airborne. When a plane is cleared to take off, the pilot accelerates and the plane moves at a very high speed, and shortly the plane gets airborne. That brings us to thrust, the force that helps the airplane to move forward. The thrust is produced by the engines. The engine can either be a propeller engine, turbojet, or jet engine. The engine pushes air backwards and the air reacts by pushing the plane forward. Newton's third law of motion is respected here. And now, lift. The lift is caused by the plane's wings. So someone may ask, how does this happen? It's a little complex, but let us know it. Looking at a cross-sectional view of the wing, it has an airfoil shape, right? As the wing slides through the air diverges, with some passing along the curved surface and the rest passing along the straight edge of the wing. The air that passes the top curved side will have to travel faster to catch up with the air passing below the wing. The fast moving air above creates low pressure, and the slow moving air below creates high pressure. That is Bernoulli's principle, and the overall effect creates the upward force called lift. But if you see a plane doing takeoff, you will realize that there's a tilt to make an angle of attack before taking off. This is to make more air molecules pass under the wings of the plane than on top to maximize lift. So after the plane gets airborne, what keeps the plane in the air as it cruises? It's the engines. The engines propel the plane forward and fast-moving air flows across the wing. This creates just enough lift to support the plane's weight. As the plane flies high above the earth where the air is less dense, air resistance is at its minimal, meaning more thrust can be produced using less fuel. I guess that explains why more fuel is used during takeoff than cruising. Now I believe you have the answers to the mysteries of how airplanes fly. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want more of this content. See you again next time. Bye.